Tesla Model 3. This one's gonna be blacked out. We're gonna black the emblem, we're gonna black all the trims. Anything that's chrome is gonna be painted in shiny black. So the wheels are gonna be powder coated in shiny black. The center cap is in satin black. We're gonna paint that as well to match the shiny black that we're gonna powder coat.
We are next to our C63 Wide-Body prior design project. The hood is off the car right now. We're not gonna leave it like that. We are adding our own scoops. Customer didn't like some of the hoods on the market, so we bought our own hood vents, sort of like the Black Series. We're making our own vents. It's gonna look really good on this car, so we're going really clean. Right now, we're gonna get it inside the bay, get it ready for a wrap.
Do it. That's it. That's it.
We're double winging this thing right now. We put the OEM spoiler back on, and now we got the Black Series style carbon fiber wing on. It looks really nice. We don't want to go a big wing, something small. This is as classy as a wing could get, a carbon fiber wing. So it's going perfectly with the build. We're very excited to finish this thing up. We're gonna be putting the bumpers on and all that stuff. Wheels are all ready, suspension's ready. So it's the final steps. After that, we're gonna go test drive it and show you guys how wild this thing looks.
Alright guys, the Tesla is done. Some of the parts we painted, some of the parts we wrapped. It's being washed, detailed, and ready to go. I came all the way here from New Hampshire just to do this.
What's up, man?
What's going on?
Jesus.
Gotta grab some shirts, a few plates.
Go ahead.
Cheese? You good?
You need a new pop socket, bro.
Yeah,
what is that?
That's
What's a sub?
I'm gonna go grab one then.
Just if I need to pick up tomorrow, you know? Where's the Honda key?
Now you gotta upgrade.
Thank you, man.
Show.
Thank you.
You guys already know by now, this is the Urus, the Lamborghini Urus, the SUV. You gotta see it in person. It's got a lot of angles. I mean, Lamborghini really I mean, they're all about the angles, and they did a lot of angles on the SUV, and this is how it came out. This one right now, we did a front clear bra. Needed to be protected. One of the first things you should do on your expensive vehicle is protect it. So we did a 1-day front end clear bra. But this car's really cool. Sounds really good, drives good. So if you really like a sports SUV and you like Lamborghini, this is it. We're gonna get a lot of these in for sure. There's a lot of body kits coming. Exhaust systems already ready, tunes are already ready, lowering is already ready. So there's a lot of stuff already coming, and we look forward to doing some crazy Uruses soon.
Now it's good.
It's all the way.
Okay, go.
Okay. You might want to pick up this FaceTime.
Yeah, dude.
What's up?
What are you doing?
At work.
Oh, shit. She looks good, dude. She looks better than I expected. Damn. The color looks so good, too.
Oh, there's no sun. There's nothing right now. Makes the whole car, the fitment. Your fenders are crazy ass beefy fenders.
Yes. And the hood looks so good.
Yeah, look at
Oh, it looks so good.
It's been a long week. It's a Friday night. We're here after hours again. We've been here after hours every day this week. It's been car after car. We have this big build finished up right here, the C63S with the prior wide-body design, our custom hood, carbon fiber wing, Zito Wheels, H&R Suspension, and of course the vinyl, which is made by RJ. We haven't used the vinyl before. This is the first time. I haven't really seen anybody use this vinyl before. It looks amazing. It looks almost like paint. This lime green color is so deep. But regardless, this car came out really crazy. We have it really low right now. We're gonna continue to drive it and make sure she drives well with no rubbing. We want the stance to be like this. It's not air suspension, again, it's static suspension, but we're gonna make sure it drives perfect on static suspension. So Friday night, we're finished with the week. We're gonna go home, rest, and shoot some more tomorrow and show you guys this car. We are in the interior cabin of the C63S Coupe Wide-Body. It's stock in here. It's beautiful. Lots of carbon fiber. The seats hug you real good. It's got a full panoramic glass roof. Right now we're going through the little canyons of Los Angeles near the shop. So we're lucky to have these hills here. It's hillside, all these beautiful homes, and really cool roads. So we're going to this little hidden stretch now. So less cars and stuff, and we're gonna shoot this car because it deserves a proper driving shoot. It looks insane. The C63S is already set up really nice. This one has the stock exhaust system on there with the valves, so it sounds really good. This is the first time I'm taking through the canyons with the suspension. no rubbing. It's insane how it does not rub. We got 2 people in the car right now. It's driving really good, so really happy with the setup so far.